Hi, my name is Brandon. I am a senior at Highland High School. I chose the Commercial Truck and Technology program here at the Madison County Career Center to enroll in. I'm going to take you around our lab, show you a few things that you can see on a daily basis. Some of the certifications that you can achieve here are this one, such as the ASC certification, some OSHA credits, and workplace success. One of the first things I'm going to show you around here is our tool room. We have a very wide selection of tools here. You are allowed to bring your own toolbox full of tools of which you get being your junior year, but this is just a wider variety and a bigger scale of tools than what you might have in your toolbox that you will bring from home. Right here you can see them working on braking systems and taking them apart. You work on this later in your senior year here, and they're just replacing the shoes and taking them apart. Right here you can see they're working on cooling systems and doing pressure testing so they can see what is wrong with the cooling system, if there's something not functioning right with it. Next, I'm going to go show you guys our fabrication shop, which is in the back corner of our lab. So this is our fabrication shop. We have a pretty wide variety of things that we can do in here. We have drill presses, we have our glass cabinet, we have torches, we have grinders and everything else you may need. Right now the guys are working. In this booth they're doing plasma cutting. Next one they're doing MIG welding, and the last one they're doing sticks. A lot of people come here to get welding certifications, so after this they can move on and do welding for their career. Now we're going to go show wiring, and you will do this as well in your junior year here. So right here they're working on putting together trailer plugs. So you can see how they work and function, and you can troubleshoot them in the future for if something's wrong with them. Right here, they're taking apart an engine and putting the piston back into it. In the later half of your second semester as a junior, you will be paired up in groups with all these engines, and you will be taking them apart and putting them back together and measuring to see how they work and how everything functions together as one. Right here, we work on circuit boards, which you do in the earlier part of your senior year. It's a smaller scale of what you will find in a truck. So you have everything that you need, relays, lights, all that kind of things, but it's just a smaller scale so you can get used to it on a smaller level and it's not so overwhelming for you as a student. Next, we have grinding valves. Right here, there are grinding valves so that they can get all the debris and crud off of them so that they function properly how they're supposed to when they are put to use in any truck or car. Next we have adjusting valves, which you can see here. They are using the gauges and putting them in so that they can get them set to the right adjustment of how they need to be set so that they can function properly and you don't have any knocking or anything like that in your engine when you are going down the road. There are many post-secondary options that you have opportunities to when enrolled in this program. The one I personally am choosing to do is the Caterpillar Think Big program, which is an 8-week and 8-week program. So for 8 weeks, you are out at Owens Community College in Perrysburg, Ohio. And so what you do is you go to school for 8 weeks, you learn about Caterpillar and their technology and their equipment and everything like that. And then after that, you go to the shop and you have a mentor for 8 weeks. You go there, you learn, you apply that to on the workshop. There are also opportunities with John Deere and welding too from the welding certifications you can earn here. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you guys next year here at Commercial Truck and Equipment Technology.